I think Bitcoin's better traded than hodled, but I think overall I agree given the nature of the skew of the asset, like you're supposed to remain involved in these uptrends. Otherwise you're missing the point. Otherwise you're investing at the worst possible time and it'll bleed. There are a few things to look for. One is when funding rates get elevated, then it's time to start looking to de-risk. That's not the case currently. So funding rates, like the demand for leverage in the category, we're not seeing that right now. The second thing to watch is how prices respond to the potential legislative actions or the lack of legislative actions this week. If you recall back in November, December, you had three big headlines, including the appointment of our current SEC chair, and you had short one-day positive price movement, and then they faded. So you have to watch for those things. I would say that you probably have no more than 2 weeks of rally left, would be my guess. That doesn't mean a lot can't happen in those 2 weeks, though. So this is the time when you got to be like Austin back at JP Morgan, probably. I think, look, I think I'd be constructive now, just to be clear, but I think towards the end of the month, some of those metrics can change and maybe it's time to readjust.